Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Kuch hi seconds mein, we'll take you to the most sensational party of the year. Any guesses? We are talking about the 15th anniversary bash of the Bombay Times party. जहां पहुंचे इंडस्ट्री के शहंशाह अमिताभ बच्चन, बॉलीवुड के बादशाह शाहरुख खान, मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट और खिलाड़ी कुमार। देखिए कैसे समा बांधा इन स्टार्स ने बीटी पार्टी में। एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑन द किट कैट ब्रेकिंग न्यूज।
Welcome to the sensational party of the year.
Welcome. Everybody come welcome. Welcome. To the party come welcome. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
बॉलीवुड के कई जाने माने चेहरे पहुंचे at the 15th anniversary annual bash of the BT party, जहां इस बार इस पार्टी की थीम थी काफी यूनिक. It was aquamarine. The mermaids were waiting, the ambience was lit with all blue, only and only for the stars, जिनके मेकअप थे flawless, the dresses glamorous and the sparkling bling. चलिए हमारे संग the sensational party of the year, the BT party में शरीक होने. I am the king. कुछ यही अपनी ड्रेसिंग सेंस से जाहिर किया द किंग शाहरुख खान ने. बॉलीवुड के बादशाह शाहरुख खान पहुंचे ड्रेस्ड इन दिस ब्लैक शर्ट एंड डेनिम्स. शाहरुख खान भले ही थीम के हिसाब से ना ड्रेस हुए हों, लेकिन what makes King's attempt so special was his presence and the way the crowd stopped to see him. Surely he is the king. 3 Idiots. आमिर खान के साथ भले ही उनके इडियट दोस्त ना पहुंचे हों, लेकिन it still maintained the thickery with this tea. Pre-cartoons वाली इस tea made the perfectionist look way young than his age. Maintaining a special relationship, Abhishek and Amitabh Bachchan arrive at the BT party. Both made a style statement with their contrasting suits. Amitabh ne usual choose kiya black, while Abhishek chose to make a different style statement with his white blazer and blue jeans. Handsome Vivek. Vivek Oberoi managed to seal the show with his blue tee and velvet coat. Vivek ka rough and tough look was simply amazing. Like Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp के स्टाइल को अपना स्टाइल बनाते हुए Dino Morea भी पहुंचे. The Depp trademark hat stole the show. I am still young. Shekhar Suman's one more attempt to make him look way younger than his age. He comes dressed in all white. Shekhar Suman looks simply fit for this party. Moving on to the sensational babes of this party. The Golden Touch. Priyanka Chopra dressed in all gold and sparkled the evening by her golden touch. The Glam Doll. Looking like a doll, Kangana Ranaut dressed in this pink gown and the glowing makeup simply took all the limelight from the red carpet. The Marine Girl. Sameera Reddy has lost oodles of weight and she flaunts it all by the strappy blue dress. Purple Confusion. Diana Hayden chose a purple dress for this evening. Moving on from the sensational ladies, let's talk about the couples in the BT party. सबसे पहले बात, the babe in red and the dude in black. Bipasha Basu and John Abraham together made a sparkling appearance in the party. The cute couple. Ajay Devgan and Kajol, जिन्होंने यहाँ पहन रखे थे contrasting colors. Ajay was dressed in this white shirt, while Kajol was dressed in all black. Khiladi Kumar also made a striking appearance at the party with Lady Love Twinkle Khanna. इनके अलावा इस पार्टी के और चेहरे थे मुग्धा गोडसे, पाल रोहतगी, शहनाज ट्रेजरीवाला, प्रतीक बब्बर और हमने जाना चाहा about this party's theme.
This party is the most requirement of the Bombay party circuit or the Indian party circuit. That's why I think they've chosen aqua just to convey the message across.
Amazing. It looks really fabulous. These guys have again done a fantastic job.
It's different and it's the rooms also here are colored blue.
Like I'm so relaxed. I just had a massage. So I was like really nice. And now it's like, okay, I'm going to go slow now with my dog.
I think it's very soothing. And blue is always good. To be in the blues, to hear the blues, to patronize blues, to be a part of the blues. I think it's lovely.
Theme's great, all blue and it's beautiful. I think it's beautifully done.
So kuch यूं stars glittered in this year's most sensational party, the BT party. जानी मोरजारिया के साथ राजप्रीत सोंद, Zoom, Mumbai.